Hello students, this is a preview of Lesson 1.17.1, American English Lessons with Maestro Sersea. Today we will work on your English vocabulary. We begin with second grade level Dolch sight words, Lesson 2 of 4. Please follow the directions and do your best. And for part 1, you simply watch this vocabulary video 2 or 3 times. This is going to help you with listening comprehension, English pronunciation, and comprehension in general. Okay, so you will learn these words faster if you watch it 2 or 3 times. After you watch this video 2 or 3 times, please read aloud the following words and sentences in English, then translate them and read them into your primary language using the translator on this page. So, you read the words, you read the sentences in English, then you translate them into your primary language, okay, and read them again in your primary language, okay? So that's what we do for part 2. So let's read these words and sentences together. Fast, first, 5, found, gave, goes, green, it's, made, many, off, or. His boat is very fast. She drives too fast. If you talk fast, people may not understand you. He was the first to arrive at the store. She wanted to be the first to win the prize. The winner is the first person to cross the finish line. Each hand has 5 fingers. My left foot has 5 toes. Number 6 is after number 5. The police found the stolen money. She found her ring under the table. I found out why my boss fired me. Elizabeth gave Louis a kiss. Harry gave John a nice gift. The teacher gave the student a good grade. He goes to school every day. Elsa goes to work at night. Juan goes to the market every weekend. Julia loves the color green. The green car was parked in front of my house. Juan has green eyes. The dog licked its paws. The car was missing its front seats. The chair missed its legs. The children made a mess in the kitchen. She made a nice impression at the party. The Japanese made many reliable cars. How many people do you know? The manager has many employees. How many drinks have you had? She fell off her chair at the restaurant. He brushed off the snow on his jacket. The criminal ran off with her purse. You can buy a car or a motorcycle. She wanted a dog or a cat. The child wanted either an ice cream or a candy. So now that we've read this in English, now you can translate them in any language you wish that's available here. Once you're done with that and you read it in the other language, read the sentences and the words in the other language, then we have part 3. Please watch the quiz video and do the quiz on your own paper. When you finish, let us know your quiz score in the comments section below. Okay? So you watch this and you write down the answers on a piece of paper and you do your best. When you finish, you can write a comment here, tell us how you did, what you learned, put your name, put your email, and click post comment. And we can respond to you. Okay? So this was a preview of lesson 1.17.1. Thank you for working so hard to improve your English skills. I'm very proud of you.